fashion career ran in contradiction to the way that I ran the rest of my life. And it actually was very different from the friends, that my core group of friends who I was with in my 20s, who are very formative and still remain very close to me, who are herbalists, who are yoga teachers, who are potters, who are forest school teachers, who are entertainers, and I was a stylist. But in a way I was doing it because I was telling stories. For me, that's what I was doing. And I was lucky enough to work in the high-end sector, and so I was aware of the issues, but I was also not working amongst the issues. They weren't visible to me because I wasn't seeing the supply chain, even of the clothes that I was working with. And also, I think when you're freelance, it's really, really tough, and you're just thinking about your career and survival and how to pay the bills and how to stay agile enough to stay relevant to get rebooked. And that is so much of a driver for so many people that they haven't got the capacity, and I don't blame them.
Yeah.
Because when you look at what's going on with COVID, freelancers are just not being looked after in terms of support, definitely in this country. My husband's in the film industry. Something like 90% of people from his side of film industry, which is camera department, aren't getting a penny. He's not getting a penny. I mean, he's this much away from, is he going to become a delivery driver? He's a camera operator. So it's a very real reality for me in my community. And so in a way I was lucky because I was able to analyze the issues and make some changes, but it was quite circuitous, because it wasn't like I went into this going, oh, do you know what? I mean, 20 years in, I'm going to have an organization called Fashion Roundtable. No, I probably wanted to work at W magazine. I mean, that was where I thought I was aiming for, if I was aiming anywhere.
And look where they are now.
I'm in a great garden with some jasmine behind me, I know. But I mean, you know, and exactly, the market shifted. All those people that have bought into the 20th century model, where are they going to be? I really feel for them. My portfolios are in the shed. I worked really hard for those portfolios. They're in the shed. It's irrelevant. So you have to be honest about where things are going, I think.